Hi everyone. Hi everybody, I'm Ed Tapper from Mr. C's Automart. This is another one of our new arrivals, a 2013 Nissan Maxima 3.5S. So it's got the 3.5 liter, 290 horsepower engine. It's got really nice black 10-spoke factory wheels, deep tinted glass. Go around the car. It is fully serviced, needs no maintenance, and we have a nice spacious trunk. It's got an inflator kit, dual exhaust. This is a Japanese import. So it's a great car for reliability, and it's got 148,000 miles. We're going to have this car advertised for $7,000, and it's got beige cloth interior. We're going to do a little spiffing this interior up. It's got manual passenger seat, power driver seat, steering wheel mounted controls for Bluetooth, cruise, and trip, an AM/FM CD radio, automatic climate control. It's got the paddle shifters, 148,554 miles. It does have a power sunroof with a sunshade. So we'd invite you to come by and take a look. This is a great deal. Like buying an Accord or a Camry, I should say. This is a full-size sedan, so if you're interested in coming by and taking a look, it's available. My number is 708-473-2014, or visit the website, mrcsautomart.com. Thanks.